Whoops, I went into Poundland again, meant to spend £1 and I spent 10 cause I needed a holographic bag for life. Ooh, so shiny. Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing my October Poundland haul. Yes, I went in there again. They've got such great Halloween stuff that I couldn't resist another little look. So I've got a bag full of Poundland goodies. Can we just take a moment to appreciate the holographic bag for life? The slogan on it says if you can't stop thinking about it, buy it. Yeah, I'm not entirely sure I agree with the slogan. I can't stop thinking about a lot of things, but if I bought them all, like, we would have some serious problems. So, the first thing was a Halloween decoration, and it is a hanging ghoul. So this is what it looks like. Most of the Halloween stuff that I've got is pretty, like, non-creepy. It's kind of like cartoony and stuff, so I thought I had to have at least one scary item. To, you know, scare the local youth. So this is what I got. He needs a name. I don't know what we should. Ooh, he looks like he's got eyes. Oh my god, that's so freaky. Oh, look, can you see that? It looks like he's got eyes, but actually he hasn't got any eyes. I scared myself. I'm scaring myself. The next thing I got was this evil bird. It's like a skeleton bird. The wings actually move. It's quite, I think it's quite cute. But I thought this would be really cool to just like perch on top of the pumpkin once we've carved it, just to give it a bit more of that like scary feel. The next thing I've got, which I've actually opened to have a look at already, were these pumpkin decorations. I think they've got them in various colours, and there's two in here, and they're just like these honeycomb like things, balls. Oh, gone. Non-scary like Halloween decorations, because I really want to put on a little party for my little boys, like little friends, and because they're all two, I don't want to like completely freak them out. So I thought these were like completely non-offensive, and I just thought they'd make really good like little table centres, little table decorations. And then to go along with that, I picked up this lacy tablecloth, and it's all like spiders' webs. I hate spiders, but I know they're good. I know they're good for the planet, all that stuff, but I am absolutely terrified. This lacy tablecloth, I just thought I'd use as a tablecloth, just put it over the table, completely non-creative, just to like scare it up a bit. What would the word be? Like just to make the table look a bit more festive? Is that the right word? A bit more Halloween-y. And then I thought in future years I could just like wash this, and then maybe when my little boy's older I could like turn it into part of a Halloween costume or something. We'll see if that happens. Thing I got, and I tend to hang this on our garage door, was a giant holographic skeleton. They had this in other colours as well, but I just went for your general holographic. I just thought this was really cool. He's got like a spider on his head and stuff. And I just thought for something to just hang up that was a bit bigger, that people can kind of see from a distance, this is really good. And for £1, you know, you can't really go wrong. One of my favourites, gel stickers. We all know I absolutely love these. These ones were bats and pumpkins. I didn't see these ones the last time I went, so I got these as well. My husband is going to go crazy about the state that I'm going to make of the windows sticking these on, because you know my little boy's going to want to mess with them and pull them off and stick them on, which just means basically you get handprints all over your window. It makes a complete mess, so get some decent glass cleaner if you're going to get these. The next thing I got was super exciting, and it's this brush. Only since I've got it at home, it says 2 washing up brushes on here. Can you see that? But this is only 1, so I don't know whether to be like super annoyed about this, because I've overpaid. I've overpaid in Poundland. But I saw Mrs. Hinch using something similar to clean her bathroom floor, and my ass does need a bit of a scrub, so I thought I'd get one and give it a go. Yeah, excited to clean the bathroom floor, but not really. Next, I had a complete Mean Girls moment. You know that bit where they're like, I saw Kenny Herron buying army pants and flip-flops, so I bought army pants and flip-flops. Well, this is the, I saw Sammy Dudley buying Pound Shop fake nails, so I bought Pound Shop fake nails. But actually, they've got these Elegant Touch Express 3-minute manicure fake nails, which I thought were great, because the more time it can save me by sticking nails on, the better. They're not the greatest designs. These ones are like a purple shimmery design. And then the other set I got are kind of like a neon orange, white and gold tips design. I suppose they're quite summery really, which is probably why they're in the pound shop, because they're summer designs that nobody wants anymore. But I thought, hey, if it's just to make my nails look half decent on a day when they're just not looking half decent, which is most days, I could have done 365 sets of these. I'd just give them a go, see what they're like, see if they're any good before I go and spend the full price on any of them. Oh man, back to Halloween stuff. Sweets! Now the key with these is to buy sweets that you like, because ultimately you're probably going to end up eating them. That certainly happens in our house. It's like, if it rains on Halloween, we don't get any trick-or-treaters. You'd think living in kind of like farmer country that the kids around here would be like absolutely like die hard, going trick-or-treating, whatever the weather, you know, country kids that, you know, don't care if it's raining. Absolutely not. They're as fair weather as anywhere else. If it's raining, they don't come out and you don't get any trick-or-treaters at all, so all these efforts will be for nothing. So the key here is to buy sweets you actually like to eat yourself. So I got a Chewits Monster bag that got 40% extra free, just in case it doesn't rain and we get hordes of kids. I got some Casper candy sticks, which are just like little boxes of individually wrapped candy sticks. Some Mawam chews. And some Casper popping candy, because this is literally like my favourite thing ever. Just in case no kids come, of course you understand. But I make a conscious effort to get all individually wrapped sweets, because there's nothing worse than like loads of little hands going in your tub of sweeties and putting germs all over everything and then spreading germs everywhere. So they're all individually wrapped sweeties, so that I cannot be accused of spreading germs. Next I picked up these little Milka cakes. They're like little chocolate chip cakes and they're just our favourite things at the moment. My little boy loves these as a treat. My husband loves these. I like these. They're really nice. It's one of those things that I'll just buy and buy and buy till we're absolutely completely sick to death of them and just can't eat them anymore because you've just eaten so many. But they're really, really nice. They've got other Milka biscuits and stuff as well. I did try the like biscuits that were shaped like cows with chocolate on the back, but they were nowhere near the level of deliciousness that these are. So I just got like 3 packets of these this time. But I don't need to show you all 3 packets because you don't need to think I'm some sort of like greedy guts. Super boring, and I've already unwrapped this, but it's these like phone chargers. It's one USB on this end and then a variety of like connectors the other. I've got both an iPhone, which is my work phone, and a Android like Samsung phone, and there's always the wrong charger plugged in, like always. So I just thought if I'd got all the ends in one place, then I could just plug them all in at the same time. Job done. I got some Astonish bathroom cleaner. I've never ever tried any Astonish products before. I've heard really good things about this one. It says it's tough on soap, scum, watermarks and lime scale, which is great. So I thought I'd give it a go, see what it's like, see if the hype is worth it, see if it can tackle the old plug holes. And the last thing I got I was super excited about, because I believe this is quite hard to get hold of. This was from the £2 section, and it's the limited edition Comfort Frosted Pine and Apple. I know this is another thing that Mrs. Hinch has gone crazy for. I do like the smell of pine, but I'm especially into like Christmas scents. Like as soon as all the Christmas fragrances start coming out, I am there at the front of the queue. Oh, it's really nice. Yeah, that is really nice. I can see why she raves about this. I wouldn't say it's particularly like Christmassy, but it is very fresh and very nice. But I am super duper 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 excited to start finding, you know, like the cinnamon and apple fragrances and stuff like that. I've seen in the range they've got like these sticks that you like pack away with your Christmas tree or something, and it makes it like smell like Christmas. Like Glade and that are coming out with like loads of like festive fragrances. Me try saying that, but festive. Why in every one of my videos do I get like a tongue twister? Festive fragrances of like cinnamon and apple and pine and all those lovely things, so I'm super duper excited for those. That's everything for this Poundland haul. I've been super excited for all like the Halloween stuff. I literally cannot wait for Halloween now. I've got so much stuff to like display. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, please hit the subscribe button and stick around. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.